All right, now that you've got your kit all set up, you know how to use your paints, you're ready to go, I thought I'd run you through one of the many activities in the booklet. So I'm going to open up my tray to my lovely green, which obviously mine's a mess, yours won't be. I'm going to grab some water on my brush and activate one of my greens, ready to go. And I'm going to paint a stem of leaves. So I'm grabbing some green paint on my brush, dabbing off the excess, and I'm just going to paint a long, thin curve with the brush. And I'm going to grab some more paint on my brush. I'm actually going to add even a little bit more water to the paint too. And I'm going to paint a leaf at the tip of the stem. So I'm going to use the tip of the brush, belly of the brush, tip of the brush once again to create half of my leaf. And I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to dab off a little excess paint first, tip of the brush, belly of the brush, tip of the brush. And I'm going to continue that process down the stem. So these are C curves that I'm using in order to paint these leaves. And I go into more detail about C curves in the booklet as well. And I also have a YouTube tutorial about it as well. So there's lots of ways that you can find out that information and practice. So I just thought I'd show you one of the activities that you'll find in the booklet and using the kit in practice. And there we go, a beautiful stem of leaves, all painted using materials from my watercolor kits and the booklet that comes along with it. So there we go. I hope you have lots of fun painting, and make sure that you tag me on Instagram at RubyTuesdayArt in any of your work.